Hi learners, welcome to our channel Python Programming. In this session, we are going to explore some basic operations on dictionaries, like how to access the elements from a dictionary, how to add a new element into an existing dictionary, how to modify a particular value in a dictionary, how to delete an element from a dictionary, and how to iterate through dictionary. Let's first see about how to access the values from a dictionary. We have now keys. We don't have index or the positions in dictionaries. The keys in the dictionary help us to access the values. So similar to the index operator, the key is used inside the pair of square brackets to access the respective value or the corresponding value. So to access a particular value from the dictionary, we need to provide the correct key. The syntax for accessing any value is the name of the dictionary, and inside square brackets we have to provide the correct key. For example, let us consider the dictionary course, in which we have 5 elements. 111, 222, 333, 444, 555 are the keys. Python, C, C++, data structures and computer networks are the values. Suppose if we want to print or if we want to access data structures from the dictionary, then we have to provide the key 444. So print course of 444 will try to display the particular value corresponding to 444. Now the output on the screen is data structures. Similarly, if we display course of 111, the respective value Python will be accessed and it will be displayed on the screen. In list, if we are giving an index which does not exist or which is not having any element in the list, then we will be having an error, right? Similarly, in dictionary, if we are providing a key for which we don't have value, it means that element, that key does not present in the particular dictionary. We will be having an error. In this example, we are trying to display course of 888 or we are trying to access the value at the key or associated with the key 888. Now, the interpreter raised a key error known as key error 888. It means that 888 does not present in the given dictionary. Now let's see how to add an item into an existing dictionary. A new item can be easily added by means of assigning the value to its key. The syntax is the name of the dictionary inside square brackets key, which is equal to value. So this new value will be added to the dictionary along with its key provided here. For example, if we give course of 666 is equal to Java, the value Java will be added to the dictionary course along with its respective key 666. If we print the dictionary, now the dictionary is going to have one more element with modifying an item. An existing item can be modified very easily by assigning the new value to its key. The syntax is the name of the dictionary within square brackets key is equal to the new value we want to modify. For example, course of 444 is equal to basic. If we display course, 444 is going to have the new value basic. Deleting an item. It's very easy to delete an existing item from the dictionary with the help of the keyword del. The syntax is del dict name of key. The interpreter will pick up the key and the value from the dictionary and it will remove it from the dictionary. For example, if we delete course of 333, the element with 333 as a key will be removed from the dictionary. Now, the resultant dictionary is not having the key 333 and its corresponding value C++. If we want to delete all the elements from the dictionary, we can use clear method. The syntax is the name of the dictionary dot clear. For example, if we provide the command course dot clear off, it will clear all the elements from the dictionary. And if we try to, after removing all the elements from the dictionary would be empty. So an empty dictionary exists even after all the items were deleted. But it can also be permanently deleted or removed with the help of del keyword. The syntax for deleting a dictionary is del dictionary name. For example, we can delete the dictionary course by using the command del course. After deleting the dictionary, if we try to display it print course, we are getting an error called as name error, and it indicates that the name course is not defined. It means that the dictionary is removed. Next one is looping in a dictionary. It's possible to access either keys or values or both keys and values with the help of an iteration in a dictionary. If we use for loop, it would be very easy to read only keys or values or both keys and values. For example, let's consider the same dictionary course is equal to 111, 222, 333, 444, and 555 as keys, Python, C, C++, data structures, and computer networks as values. Let's first see how to access the keys alone from this dictionary. The comment or the code snippet for this is shown on the screen. For key is a variable, in is the operator, membership operator, course is a dictionary name, and we display key here inside for loop. What will happen? This iteration will pick up the keys one by one from the dictionary course, and it will display the keys one by one on the screen, and we are getting the output as 111, 222, 333, 444, and 555. If we want to access only the values like Python, C, C++, data structures, and computer networks, we have to provide course.values in the iteration. For val in course.values, we are displaying the value one by one. Here, value is the variable we are using. Course.values will access all the values from the dictionary, and it will be assigned one by one in the variable val, and the print statement will print the values one by one on the screen. The output would be Python, C, C++, data structures, and computer networks. If we want to access the items, then we have to provide two variables for key and value in course.items. We have to display the key as well as value as separate entities, and the output would be the key as well as value one by one. 111 Python, 222 C, 333 C++, 444 data structures, and 555 computer networks. Stay tuned. Happy learning.